Happy clappy!
Hey there, friends! Let's bundle up and step into a winter wonderland! We're going to sing about snow, ice, cozy clothes, and chilly fun. Let's learn and play with lots of cool winter words together! Are you ready? Let's go! Mittens! Mittens are cozy on my hands so tight.
Mittens keep them warm in winter light.
Gloves!
Gloves are soft and snug and warm.
Gloves protect from every storm.
Scarf!
The scarf wrapped around my neck so neatly.
Scarf keeps me warm from winter's icy blast.
Hat!
The hat is sitting on my head so snugly.
The hat is warming me just like a hug.
Earmuffs! Earmuffs circle my ears.
Earmuffs block the winter breezy fears.
Coat!
Coat zipped up, warm and strong.
The coat keeps me comfy all day long.
Jacket!
Jacket padded warm and bright.
Jacket perfect for the frosty night.
Parka! Parka fluffy hood so wide.
Parka shields me from the chilly side.
Snow boots!
Snow boots are stomping through the snow.
Snow boots everywhere I go.
Socks!
Socks are woolly, thick and warm.
Socks help me face a winter storm. Sweater!
Sweater cozy wool so soft.
Sweater keeps me warm aloft.
Hoodie! Hoodie hood up over me.
Hoodie warm as warm can be.
Balaclava!
A balaclava covers the face and chin.
A balaclava keeps the cold from getting in.
Puffer coat! Puffer coat!
Fluffy, big and bright.
Puffer coat keeps me warm all night.
Snowsuit!
Snowsuit zipped from head to toe.
A snowsuit is perfect for the snow.
Snow!
Snow falling soft and slow.
Snow, snow covering all below.
Blizzard! Blizzard roaring winds that blow.
Blizzard swirling piles of snow.
Snowstorm!
Snowstorm, cloudy skies of white.
Snowstorm dancing through the night.
Frost!
Frost sparkling on the ground.
Frost is shining all around. Fog!
Fog floating low and gray.
Fog is hiding the snowy day.
Hail!
Hail tapping
Loud and bright.
Hail bouncing left and right.
Sleet!
Sleet, tiny icy rain.
Sleet tapping on the window pane.
Icy wind! Icy wind is blowing sharply and fast.
Icy wind, winter's chilly blast. Sub-zero!
Sub-zero freezing down below.
Sub-zero colder than the snow.
Polar vortex!
Polar vortex, icy winds from far.
Polar vortex, winter superstar. Snowflake!
Snowflake drifting through the air.
Snowflake lands softly with care.
Icicle!
Icicle hanging cold and thin.
Icicle sparkling with the grin.
Glacier! The glacier, giant ice so wide.
Glacier! Frozen mountain pride.
The frozen lake!
Frozen lake, shining smooth and bright.
Frozen lake, glowing in the light.
Caribou! Caribou walking through the snow. Caribou steady as they go.
Polar bear!
Polar bear marching on the ice. Polar bears are strong, bold, and nice.
Ice skating! Ice skating, gliding fast and free.
Ice skating, spinning happily.
Building a snowman!
Building a snowman, rolling snow so round.
Building a snowman, tallest one around.
Igloo! Igloo made of snow so bright.
Igloo glowing in the night. Fireplace!
Fireplace crackling warm and bright.
Fireplace cozy winter light.
Hot chocolate steaming in my cup.
Hot chocolate warms my hands right up. Shovel!
Shovel clearing pathways wide, shovel pushing snow aside.
Lantern!
Lantern shining in the dark.
Lantern glowing like a spark.
Thermos! Thermos holding drink so warm.
Thermos, perfect in a storm.
Sleigh bells!
Sleigh bells jingling all around.
Sleigh bells are such a cheerful sound.
Blanket!
Will blanket warm and soft and wide.
Will blanket perfect by your side.
Soup bell!
Soup bowl steaming with warm delight.
Soup bowl yummy every bite. Winter song, now our journey ends. Winter song, till we sing again.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.